Up my couch potato army. It's been a while, and you'll notice that I changed my name. So I just didn't like the old one. I didn't like my old name, so I changed my name to Mind Numbing TV. So now you are my couch potato army. And I'm playing Slime Rancher, which is a not new game, but the full game just came out not that long ago. My cousin showed me it. His channel name will be down in the description. This game is pretty much about ranching slimes. So I'm gonna, ooh, we get to name it, okay. Let's see here. I'm gonna name it Potato Couch. Or Couch Potato. Potato. Alright, potato. 5-day rush, adventure sounds more fun. Alright. Adding. Okay. So what shows on your screen is adding. Let's get into the I've already played this game, so I know what to do and like what works and stuff. It says 1,000 whatever. Can I skip it? Because it doesn't show the full thing for you guys. So can I skip it? Nope. Okay. Slime Rancher. Alright, I know how to move, so let's go. Ooh! Hate pink slimes, they eat my chickens. Give me your poop. I want your poop. Give me your poop. What you gotta find. Yeah, I know how to vac. Oh, there's a chicken over there. I need that chicken. Same with the chickadoos. They're so vital in this game, chickens. You want them as many as you can get, because if you're trying to do a Gordo, which is like a giant slime, tabby cats only eat meat, so you gotta get lots of chickens. And they unlock like teleporters. Pink slimes you can get like, I already know how to do that. Alright, bang, 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 bang. Okay. Is there more pinkies? Oh, I don't have a jetpack because I just restarted. Alright, let's go feed these fools. I hate having no jetpack. Eat it. Do you not want it? Bang! There. Poop! Bravo. Alright. Ooh, I'm such a good shot. Alright, can I buy a chicken coop? Coop. Where is it? It's right there. No. Okay. 250. Yes, I can. I'm gonna go put it over here. Yeah. Boom. Got a coop. Let's raise some chickadoos in here. How much is it for high walls? 350. Alright. I'm gonna go over here. We're gonna get me some pinkies. Num 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 num. Okay. Give me your poop. Give me it all. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Come here. Okay. Let's see. Their faces, though, they're so ugly. They creep me out. Okay, I got max of those, so now it's time to get max plorts. Alright, ooh, I know there's lots of plorts down here. Ta-da! Aw, there's not as many slimes, that's why. If you get farther into the game, there's so many plorts. Alright, come on. Is that all? Yes, that is. Okay. Here. Eat up. Eat. Poop. Good boy. Chickens. Where's that chicken at? Really? No one wants poop? I mean, no one wants pogo fruit, not poop. Alright, if I go back here, there should be poop. Oh, yeah. Alright. What's that? Tabby cat. I really want a tabby. I'm gonna wait though to get a tabby because I don't have enough stuff. Come on, run. Sucks having no upgrades. Carrots. My carrots. Alright. Got 11 carrots, 11 pogo fruit. The plort market, I already know how to use it. I'm either gonna buy a water tank next or a jetpack because those are so helpful. Alright, now the rest of you die. Because if you've never played this game, you know, if you have played this game, you know how annoying pink slimes are. All they do is kill your chickens. They eat everything in sight. Alright, time to nom 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 nom. Uh-oh. Go! Go, my ugly slimes. Go! Who's gonna eat it? Anyone? Anyone? No one? Okay. Who wants it? I know one of you do. Okay, they're full. And you must die. You are the chosen one. Bang. Alright. Good for you. Let's go over here. Get some money. Oh, I'm such a good shot. How much are they worth? $11? Sweet. Ooh, rock plorts. I need some. Alright. Awesome rock plorts. What I need? Yeah, let's go to upgrader. Can I? Yes. Okay. Jetpack. Can't even buy any of them. Dang it. Okay. Hold on. Eat. Eat, my ugly blobs. Eat. No? Okay. And let's go get some rock plorts. Oh my god, I'm out of energy. Plorts. Ooh, giant pink guy. Let's go get him so we get a slime key. Yes, there is. Alright, I'm gonna go collect more food. I don't care about him right now. Alright. Oh, I almost died. And skadoosh. How am I gonna get up there without... Ouch! Just gotta collect everything you see. Oh, teleporter! Or I think that... Yeah, that's what that is. Alright. Turn that light off. Alright. Got some. Yeah. That should be enough to feed this guy until he explodes like a big giant blueberry he is. Hopefully it's enough. Yeah, fatten up. Nom nom nom. Oh my god, you're so fat. Oh, there we go. I saved myself 2 carrots. Alright. Give it. Oh, I'm gonna kill you all. Oh, I got a rock slime. Yay. Now I can start breeding them. Got a slime key. Alright. Hate slime, so let's go there. And then we can go. Give me that. You're gonna die anyway, so I don't care. Goodbye! You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Oh, I want that chicken though. I can get plenty of pogo fruit. Alright. Chickens are the best. Got me some chicken. like that, chicken? Alright. Are there chickens up there? Oh God. Bless me. Please no tars, please no tars, please no tars. Or inks, whatever you call them. Because I've heard people call them inks, but their names are tars. Mine. Chicken, 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 chicken. Get out of here. Evil. Alright, you're gonna turn into a tar one day, so I'm gonna kill you. Same with you. Because if they eat if they mutate 3 times, they will turn into a tar. So it's kind of dumb, but because I wish I could just keep mutating them. This guy is a pain in the butt to get. Alright. Hi, bye. Just run, 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 run past. Because what you really want to get is that place, the jungle. That's where you can get like honey slime. Oh, I almost fell off. You can get like honey slimes, hunter slimes, boom slimes. Oh, they're so cool. Alright. Oh, yay. Alright. Actually, should probably go put these. Yeah, I'm gonna go head back to my farm and go put these away. Ooh. Nope, 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 it's my Q-berry. It's my Q-berry. No. There we go. Okay, what do I not want for it? Alright, I'll leave it here then. Alright, I'm back at my farm. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't pile up. No. Alright. Put my hens in there. I'm gonna go put these guys in here. How much are high walls? $3.50. Actually, let's buy them right now. Alright. Now I don't need to worry about them for now until I put more in there. Okay. Who wants food? Eat some food. Give me your plorts. Alright. I don't want that much slimes. I don't want that much pink slimes. Did I kill him? And he's back. Okay, now he's dead. That's still too many pinkies. I'll take 3 pinks. And he's back. Boop. Okay. You can go back in, or should we have 2 of each? 2 of each. Alright. You, where are you? I want to breed you with this. You would go eat it. Yay! Alright. Eat it. There we go. And then skadoosh. Out. Oh, he's out. Oh wait, no, I need rock slime things. Or I'll just have 3. Alright, so then now he's dead for life, or go see your mom, or dad, or whoever you want to see. I only want 1 of these guys, so... No, look at him, he's so happy to die. He looks like a big bubble from Bubblegum. Alright. Go exchange these 2 in. Skadoosh, skadoosh. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm making the big bucks now. Alright, so... let's get some more slimes, I guess, or food. food would probably be our #1 priority. Or how much is a farm? Because if we can get a farm, then we won't really need food to worry about food anyways. So, garden, 250. Okay. Just need to go collect some. Ooh, let's get some falafel thingies. Falafel furs. Or should we, oh no, let's go to the biome that I unlocked. Because if you can get, I want some of you to kill you. Come here. Brutal? No. Here, eat that. Go eat your own kind. Oh, he's dead. Dude, and I can't remember if there's a slime key door over here. Because if there is, I can get into the, well, if there isn't, I can get into the indigo quarry. Okay, recharge my stamina. And bye-bye. Bye! Oh, he's following. He following. He following. Oh yeah, there is. Okay. Recharge. Recharge, recharge. Okay, we're gonna do this James Bond style. Ready, set, run for your life. Pretty good at that. Here, take him. And him. Alright. Had to make some sacrifices. Just in case I want to breed anything, which I do. So I gotta get some plorts. And skittish. You know, I need a plort from the tabby. I need a tabby plort here. Come here. You, eat. Okay. I don't want the tabby slime. Oh, he's gone. Alright. Are you a happy one, or are you... You guys, don't mind me. You guys. Alright. Got me a Q-berry. Q-berry. Oh, make it. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Up. Alright. And down the slide we go. Boom slimes! Wait. Give me these. Give me all of them. Ah, you idiot. I'm gonna kill you for that. Alright. Give me some tabby stuff. I wanna see what happens if I... Aw, nothing. Nothing really. What if I... No, because if I try to breed them, I'm gonna make a tar. Oh well. Oh, yep, see, like I said, a tar. That music is tar music. Gotta get some honey slimes, though. If I can remember where honey slimes are, then I will get some. I know hunter slimes are over here. Yeah. Alright, time to observe the mighty boom slime in its natural habitat. It has come out of its hiding to come and try to kill me, but I am too fast for it. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Alright. And hello, my peoples. Honey slimes! I don't like tabby plorts, I want honey slimes. Yes! Wait, hold on. What happens if I... Oh, they don't eat those. Okay, what if I... No, they eat those. But what if... He's in water! Ouch. Ouch! Oh, he's a mad one. That's why. I'm just gonna let them fend for themselves, because I really don't care. Those are tars, by the way, if you didn't know. And I don't care about them, so they'll disappear if you just walk away. I think. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna get some of these guys. Come here, come here. Nope, you're too big. You're too fat. Alright. What? Well, okay, I got the honey slimes part right, but where is... Those are Philosopher honey slimes. Ooh, what's that? I don't know what that is. Sweet, I don't know what I just did. Did I survive? Did I make him survive? Ooh, what's this? Wait, I think that's where the giant hunter slime is. It's over there. Oh, please tell me I don't need a jetpack. How am I gonna get back now? Uh-oh. Oh wait, I'm just gonna get back from that way. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna need a jetpack for this. Alright. Okay. We're gonna head back. Put these guys in the schmoozy nuku things. Bye. Hope you have a nice meal. Let you fend for yourselves. Hey, buddy. Oh, are you mad? You mad, bro? Huh? You mad, bro? You mad, bro? Oh, he's gone. Alright, I gotta find my way back now. Ooh. It's a toy for the slimes. Okay, I think it's this way. Boom. Is this it? Yes, it is. Can I get up, though? No, I can't get up. Can I maybe like this? Can I not get up? Uh-oh. I don't want to lose all this stuff, though. Can I? Oh, okay, okay. I think this leads... Nope. Can't get up. No. Don't you dare explode me. Alright. Catch you guys back when I figure a way up.